How to fix all Windows error problem in Windows 10 or 11 on PC. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix all Windows error problem on Windows 11 or 10 on your PC. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, click the search bar at bottom left corner of the screen and then search for File Explorer. Scroll down at the bottom left corner and select this PC. Select C drive. After that, select Windows option. On this section, you have to scroll down and then select the option for software distribution and open it by double clicking on it. Click Ctrl A on your keyboard to select this all. After that, you can click on the trash button at top right corner and then delete it. Once you follow this step, go through the other step. Click the search icon at bottom left corner of the taskbar and search for Troubleshoot settings. Simply expand this menu and then click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you need to locate Windows Update and click on the Run button. This will help us detect problems. This might take 2 or 3 minutes, so simply you have to wait for it, and after it detects the problem, it will easily fix the issue. Once you follow this step, simply the third step to follow is simply click on this start icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Right click on it and select Run. Here you need to type in services.msc and click on the OK button. On the services section, scroll down and locate the option for Windows Update. Right click on it and then under service status, make sure it is click on Start, and the startup type you need to click on the small arrow and make sure to click on Automatic. Make sure it is not saved to manual or disable. Then click on OK button and then apply. Once you do that, you will easily fix the issues of Windows error problem. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.